It's raining outside. Guys, I'm now here in Terminal 5. Guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm here now at the airport. So I'm going to visit my mom, ang inay. So it's been a long time, and then look, it's normal na yung pag-travel ng mga tao dito. Yan, halos, pero face mask is mandatory na. So yeah, let's see how it goes ang ating travel. So I'm excited, and then let's see ano yung natin, journey along the way. We're going na. 12 minutes delayed tayo. Buti, hindi ko pinalhan yung seat number.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning, and a very warm welcome aboard this.
Tinatawagan kita eh. Ayan na. Si Mother at saka ako. Dito na ako sa Stuttgart. Okay. Trivia guys, did you know that most Germans don't buy their homes? They just rent it because of the real estate tax is very high. The interest on mortgage is non-deductible, and also there's a subsidy on social housing which is better and cheaper, and it made Germany one of the lowest share of percentage of homeowners of all the OECD countries. Is the common multi-family houses with up to 10 apartments or flats. Quarantine time for 5 days. So yesterday, hindi ko na vlog kasi busy na. So ito na, nandito na tayo sa first day. So let's check. Oh, yan, si Mother nakain na. Yan, si Mother. Nakain na, nanay ko. Hi!
Hi.
Say hi!
Hello.
So guys, it's time for me naman. Ako ang maghuhugas ng pinggan. So yeah, maghugas na tayo ng pinggan. Yeah. It's my second day of my quarantine. So it's Sunday today. So hindi ako nakamas. So online na lang ginawa ko. And inay ay siyang sumimba. So now I'm just here. Then I had my breakfast, and then again I will cook for lunch. I don't know what will it be, but then I think it's fish for today. So join me, okay? So guys, hindi ko na napakita yung paggayat ko ng sibuyas, bawang, kamatis, luya. So yan na. Ito na yung ating end result. Isda, sinigang sa kamatis. Though walang sinigang, so maasim naman yung kamatis. So, lagyan ko lang ng konting sabaw. And then, yun na. Kanin. So, yun na. May prutas naman. So, yun na yung dessert. And that's it for our lunch. Hi guys! So again, it's my third day. So, I'm cooking adobo. Yan ang life ng quarantine. Kain, luto, kain uli, internet, and then kapag may work, ayun, singit na lang. And then, so, yun ang ginamit ko. Kamatis, adobong kamatis na. Yan! Dada! O, yan na. So, hopefully, masarap siya. Let's see. Yeah. Yan natin. Okay. Hello! So, it's my 4th day of quarantine. Nag-message. So, nawala ako. So, today, mag-cook tayo ng rice. Ay, naglabas din ako na anong nilabas ko? Yung Ja. Ito. Ito yung brand. Ewan ko kung ano. Ja. Ya. So, salmon tayo ngayon. So, kaya kapag nakapagsain na tayo, mag-ano na tayo? Luluto na tayo ng salmon. Ala plancha na lang ang gagawin natin sa salmon for the day. So, yeah. That's it for our lunch. And see you guys later again. Yeah. Okay. I have to get the yung mamon from Red Ribbon. So, I still have 2 more. So, pangatlo na to. So, defrost na din natin. Kasi nga, yun, meron nga akong suman galing Pinas. So, papaprito na lang. That's it. Yeah, okay. So, see you, guys. Pag naluto na, kain na tayo. Yeah.
No good for me, 'cause you're hot and you're cold, yeah.
Good morning, guys. So, it's my last day, 5th day of quarantine. So, I'm going to do the swab. So, sana negative para tapos na yung quarantine ko today. So, join me. Yeah? Okay. So, guys, I'm out. So, we're going to the malamig. I think it's 6 degree. So, yan. Nandito na tayo sa labas. So, we're going to the center. To the test center. Huh? Again, guys, did you know that Germany has a lower working hours, which in turn leads to higher productivity? Since they are known to be the economic engine of the EU, working hours mean working hours. They work for an average of 35 hours per week. As I have experienced, every Friday, banks, clinics, and other establishments are closed at 2 p.m. And on Sundays, almost everything is closed with some exception. So you need to do your grocery list on Saturday. So guys, din ako nag-test. Sorry, hindi ko na nakuhanan yung sarili ko. So, tapos na ako. 15 minutes. So, makukuha ko na yung test. Yeah. We're now going to Lego. Ayan na. Ano na tayo? Ayan na. So, tingnan natin kung anong meron dito. Pasta. Magpasta na lang tayo. Itong binili ko, yung sauce nila for lunch. Yeah. So, let's see. Let's check again. Anong meron pa. So, guys, it's lunchtime. I'm negative. So, I'm free now. So, now, we're going to have lunch na in Kaufhof. So, yeah. So, we're here in Galleria. Kaufhof Galleria. So guys, we're going home na kasi tapos na kaming kumain and my quarantine just ended kasi negative na ako. So yeah, so yan na. Good morning, good morning. It's Friday morning. So yeah, happy Friday everyone. So I'm going with my mom para bumili kami ng mga pagkain. Samahan nyo, maybe I will vlog it then also. And so here I am. Good morning.